Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi barakatuhu. Hello everyone, how are you? And hopefully you are all doing well and doing very great. And Alhamdulillah, I am also very well. And today I will share with you a very powerful concept and most important thing. And today's topic is our best friend. So this is the very powerful, very important and very helpful. So without wasting our time, let's jump into the video with our main topic. So my today's topic is, this is my 6th day of English practice video making journey, and my today's topic is our best friend, right? And if I say I have a only one best friend, and his name is MD Asaduzzaman, and he is very honest, kind and supportive, right? My best friend is stay with me not for my good time, always in my bad time also he stay with me and try to break my bad time, try to break my sadness, right? And I believe that, in my opinion, a best friend, a beautiful gift from Allah, and a best friend is like a light in the darkness, because uh, my best friend helped me to stay on the right path, right? So if you have a best friend, that means your life so beautiful, right? And I can share with my best friend all of my secret, and because I trust him, and he also trusts me, and he share with me all of his secrets with me, right? So this is the concept, this is the very powerful concept of a best friend. And if you have, if you do not have any good best friend, that means you have to choose your friend, you have to choose your best friend very carefully. But do not choose any bad best friend, because they are do not with stay with you in your bad time. A good friend stay with us in our good time, in our bad time. But a bad best friend, he just stay with us in our good time, and in our bad time he leave us. So you have to choose very carefully a good best friend for you, right? And this is the topic for today, and I do not want to make it more longer, and I want to say something to you, and that is, be focused and be confident and believe on yourself, and do something good for yourself, for your family, for your society, for your country also. So I hope, may Allah bless all of us with our good best friend, and see you in the next video and day 7 topic, with the day 7 topic inshallah. Take care yourself. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.